Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, then welcome to the channel. So, 2 years almost we've been doing full-time van life. And I mean proper full-time van life. We don't have a house to go back to or anything like that. We are here every day. So last night we parked in, I wouldn't say a regular park up, but somewhere where we use occasionally. If I come to one of the places where Tracy works, sometimes I bring her directly to work. What was that? Other times I park like a central location, and she'll drive to work. But this time I brought her close to work, and we park in a road which we've used quite a few times, near a park. It's actually near houses as well, so I'm a little bit surprised, but not directly near houses. And I think it was from about 11:15 till about 2 o'clock in the morning. There was, I don't know what it was. I'm gonna have a scout through the security camera footage in a minute and see if I can see anything. But it sounded like a motorbike or a car, but it sounded like it was misfiring badly, and it was screaming up and down the road. And there's a park, and there was loads of like shouting and screaming and giggling and music. But I will say their taste in music was really good. We had Bohemian Rhapsody banging out and all sorts. It was great for that, but not great because didn't get any sleep. So we're pretty knackered this morning. And I'm parked in another road I've moved. We might try and find somewhere else for tonight. Don't know if you can see, and it's kind of like that, sort of parked in a road. There's cars going up and down, buses and all sorts. Tracy sort of works around a corner up there, so she's trundled off. On this side you've got like a fence, and then there's like a garden, back of houses. So I'm not like intrusive. There is a house across the way here. I won't open that, but it's across the road. So technically we could stay here tonight because she's working here again tomorrow, but we'll probably find somewhere else. I don't mind staying here through the day, that's fine. It's there's no restrictions or anything, but it is a busy road. But that's kind of the reality of it sometimes, you know. You don't always get lovely, picturesque, quiet little places to park. Sometimes it's like that. I'm knackered, can you see? But it's alright. Anyway, nothing against them, they didn't bother us. They were just like doing what they do, innit? And I'm pretty sure, it was a long time ago, but I'm pretty sure I was pretty much the same when I was like 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, whatever. Anyway, so today I have got to do some stuff for my other channel. Well, not really for my other channel. I've got to do some guitar stuff. I've brought two guitars with me because I need to take one neck off of one guitar, put it on the other guitar, because I've literally worn a guitar neck out, and that's an achievement. This guitar is from 1998. I've been playing it for the last, I want to say 15 years, and it's my main instrument. So I've worn it out. I'll show you. But first, here's what kept us up last night. I know this bit isn't completely van related, but this is my life, and I vlog my life, don't I? So this is my guitar. This is my 1998 Protone Squire with my custom pickups, Ori Pure. They sponsor me and they made me this, but that's a whole different thing. So I want to keep this body and my pickup configuration, because that is my signature pickup configuration. But the neck, I don't know if you can see, guitarists will know, the frets are so bad. I'm getting a lot of dead spots, and I've done so many setups on this now. It is completely worn out. It needs a refret basically, and to refret this neck will cost probably as much as getting another neck. I could do it myself because I do know how to do it myself. So what I'm going to do for the time being, so I can continue to play, is I'm going to take this neck off this guitar, which is a cheap guitar, but the neck is brand new, hardly been used. I did play this guitar, which is why it's got a broken string. on Saturday night at a gig to make sure it's okay. It's fine, brilliant. It's nice and comfy to play. I have done work on this neck before, so I have done a nice fret job on it, and it's really nice to play. So I'm going to just swap it out for now, and that will give me I say for now, it'll probably end up that neck will be on that guitar for the next 10-15 years as well, but that's fine as long as it just keeps the instrument playing. That's great. But what I do intend to refret that other neck, because that is a gorgeous neck, and they're very rare as well. They're very hard to get hold of, and I have looked to see if I can just buy a replacement, but I can't. So that will go in the lockup, and I will endeavour to refret that at some point. It'll probably never get done. It's like when I strapped up Harley's exhaust on her Talbot as a temporary fix, because we was in Wales and it fell off, and I just strapped it up with some wire, and it's been like that for a year. But it hasn't fallen off. You know, sometimes the temporary fixes end up being the permanent fixes, but we'll see. Anyway, I won't bore you with all of that. If you want to see me doing that, then that'll be on my guitar channel. Feel free to go over there and have a look if you're into that kind of thing. But that's what I'm doing at the moment, as well as the usual cleaning up the van and blah blah blah. Of course, when I had a house, I had a workshop, and I used to work on guitars quite a lot. I used to build guitars and all that kind of thing. In the van, it's a lot more challenging, but especially carrying the stuff around. I've got 3 guitars in the van. They get in the way, so I need to get this done. And then when we go back, I can stick them back in the car, ready for this weekend shows. Yeah, nice. So that's alright, isn't it? There you go. It's got a new look. Took about 3 hours to sort that out. But actually, I know I said that was going to be a temporary thing. It plays great. Loads of sustain on it. So it'll probably stay like that. But I'm happy with that. Brilliant. Man, I'm so tired. Right, it's about midday-ish now, so I'm gonna clean the van up, do the washing up and all that stuff. Bobble Vans is heating the water today, although the other day it said it heated the water up. It said it was 70 degrees. Got in the shower and it was cold. Put it on again after it weirdly dropped down to 50 degrees, even though it said it was 70 degrees. Heated up to 70 degrees again, and then had a hot shower. So maybe the sensor's failing. Just another thing with the absolute rubbish that product is. Anyway, so I'm heating up the water now so I can do some washing up and do some cleaning. I need to clean the we've got a USB tap that goes into our water tank, and the water's been tasting a bit like, so I'm going to clean the pipe. You know, still need to clean it out now and again, don't you? I haven't cleaned it out in a while, so I'm going to clean that out. What's the point of this video? I don't know. I'm just videoing stuff for no reason. The reason is to vlog, isn't it? And to talk to you guys, because you're awesome. I think sometimes, you know, when you're out parking in the wild, if you like, you're going to have to expect sometimes you're going to get disturbed. You can't expect to not to be, you know, we all have a right to be out in the world, and the people speeding up and down with their motorbikes and whatever and partying, fine. You know, I could have moved, obviously. I did think about it actually. When I first woke up, I thought, oh, I could just move. But it's a whole kerfuffle, packing the van up and everything to move, and I was just like kept thinking they're going to go soon, they're going to go soon. They did eventually go, but it's not so bad for me because I didn't have to go to work today, but Tracy's had to go to work today, but because I'm near work, then she doesn't have to drive a long way, so that's a bonus. And the other thing is, count the blessings that you have. You know, I've got the day to myself, I've repaired my guitar, so that's saved me a bunch of money, and that's great. So that's going to be cool. I've got hot water. I can wash up. I've just eaten breakfast. I've got a nice comfortable space to be in. All that thing, you know, all those things. So I'm so tired I can't speak properly. You know, it's like that. You know, when you're that tired. But it's all right. It's fine. I might actually get a nap in a minute, which is another blessing, right? I'm able to do that. So, anyway, end of the video. Whatever, live and let live. Be good to each other, be kind, be grateful for what you've got, and yeah, God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one, where my eyes are a bit more open and my brain's a bit more engaged. See you later.
We'll ride these roads forever, side by side we'll chase the sweetest moments whispered in our little space. With laughter and loving every turn we take, this thing called amazing race, no chance we'll break.